Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cheche here once again, and for today I'm going to bake banana bread. Our ingredients for our banana bread are bananas. Since these are small, so I put around 10. So I'll put this here. 2 cups of plain flour. 1 cup dark brown sugar. So put it in here. 1 cup of melted butter. Put it in. Going to put vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. Almonds. Always remember, when you're cooking, baking, whatsoever, you have to clean as you go. Let's mix our ingredients. Ooh. Guys, I forgot the eggs. We need 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 5. That's why I didn't find the ingredients when I started, because I forgot the eggs. Now let's mix it this time with the eggs. Let's preheat the oven. So I'll set it to 175 degrees, fan forward. Let's prepare our almonds. Pound it, pound it. Our mixture is ready. Now I'm going to put some almonds in our mixture. And again. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to put the mixture in a pan. And the rest will be here. The rest of the almonds on top. I'm going to put in the oven. And bake this for 1 hour. While waiting for the banana bread to finish, let's clean this. While waiting for our banana bread, I will label the rest of my school supplies. done most of it the other day. So this is the remaining school supplies. It's done. Ooh. Now I'm trying my banana bread. Moist. I love it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs. Bye, take care.